Listen closely, beloved child, to this message meant for you alone. Let these words stir your spirit and come alive in your heart once more. For you have reached a pivotal moment in your journey. The time has come for you to embrace your true identity, to boldly pursue your higher calling. No more aimless wandering down barren paths. Your moment of breakthrough is here. God is about to do a mighty work in and through you. Rejoice, for you were made for such a time as this. Every struggle, every sorrow, every stumbling block you faced along the way has shaped you into the resilient overcomer you were destined to become. Like pure gold refined by the refiner's fire, you have emerged. That spark of undying hope within now shines brighter. Those embers of holy passion have been fanned into flame. My beloved child, even if you feel battle-weary and travel-stained, know this: heaven gazes upon you with delight, ready to sustain you, steady your steps, help make your long-awaited dreams real at last. When you call out to me, I answer without delay. I have already prepared and equipped you for this hour with divine insights and inner strength that nothing can destroy. Your unwavering faith touches my heart deeply, just as a beloved child's unconditional love moves a parent. This makes me yearn all the more to bless you abundantly, to pour out my favor upon you daily like sweet honey from the comb. My commitment to fulfilling every promise I have spoken over your life remains ironclad, for my word is true and never returns void. You have overcome much, grown so much in wisdom, discernment, and earnest devotion. All of this has prepared you to ascend to a higher spiritual level, to live and love as I created you to, unbound by the shackles of the past, unafraid of the future. The time has come to claim your full inheritance. Don't you realize how valued you are in my kingdom? How unique and specially gifted? Keep your eyes fixed solely on me, the author and perfecter of your faith. I will never forget or fail to reward your efforts done in obedience and love. I am about to lead you out of the valley of weeping into a new season of fulfillment beyond what you can ask or imagine. We will laugh together there once more, my beloved, but for now, ready your heart. The journey continues, and the most magnificent chapters of your story have yet to be written. Take my hand, child of my heart. The road ahead leads to victory,